Today we'll be viewing the high lead GC 20698-2. It's a double needle walking foot, 25-inch arm workspace. That's controlled by a jack JK-513A servo motor, which is very stable. Great thing about it, it offers all the features that your top of the line machines offer at a lower price. For boat covers, canvas tarps, a variety of upholstery applications, heavy duty webbing as well. You can utilize nylon thread up to 210 Tex nylon, bonded thread, or regular nylon, or polyester thread. Not a problem. As you can tell, the speed and quality of the machine is excellent with the 1-inch gauge, but there is different gauges available. For more information, feel free to call us at 1-888-492-5553. We have a large capacity bobbin, easy access top load bobbin, which is very important, makes it more efficient. Double action tensions for a good quality stitch. Very versatile machine. Thousands sold in the USA.